Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and I have some beginner-friendly toning exercises for saggy arms. Maybe you are trying to get rid of some bat wings. You just want a nice, tight and toned arms. I mean, they don't need to be as beefy as this, but these exercises are really gonna help you slim them down, make them look sexy, so let's get started. Alrighty, so we're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating these no sag arm exercises, and then the next 2 sets more of a complete run through of all of them. These exercises, there's no equipment needed. It's gonna be full standing. We're gonna have some fun. So let's start it off with some arm circles. Stand up nice and tall, 30 seconds on the clock, and let's get circling right now. Timer wasn't working, but here we go. Really reach with your fingertips. Get those arms in nice, small, then medium, then large circles. And then we're gonna go the other way. Start again with small, medium, large. This is a great warm-up and also active stretch and exercise because your arm is gonna be so fatigued by the 3rd set, but it's gonna feel so good. Really get that blood pumping, moving through your shoulders, through your arms, through your back, through your chest. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Next, we have some up, down opens. I know it sounds super confusing. I was confused at first too. Then I'm like, oh yeah, once you get the hang of it, it is fun. So here we go. We are going to start with our arm, palms facing the ground, right? So we're here. We're going up, down, and open, and down. So just like this. We're gonna be in this motion. I like to have my knees slightly bent. I'm slightly leaned forward, back flat, really reaching with my fingertips here, here, just like this. So here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Let's really reach, down, open, up, down, open, bam. Just like this. This is going to fatigue your arms like crazy. And the goal of all this is you really want to be intentional about reaching. If you're just like throwing your arms around, it's like you're not gonna feel anything. But if you are reaching, right, as far as you can and really fighting against gravity, you are going to be burning some fat, my friend. So here we go. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake out your arms. I already can feel it. Next, we have some tricep pulses. Knees slightly bent. You want to lean forward. We want our arms, palms are now going to be facing the ceiling. Really, again, reach. You really want to lock your triceps. And the goal is we're going to be doing these tricep pulses just like that. 30 seconds and let's get it. So again, lean forward, flat back, reach forward, and boom. Goal is we don't want to pass our pocket, right? We want to keep it right up in here. That way we're keeping that tension on our triceps. They are going to be burning, but yeah, the second we drop them, it's like we're losing all that stuff that we just, built up. So here we go. Really reach back, flat back. This is gonna really tighten and tone your triceps. You're gonna feel it in your shoulders as well, but you should mainly be feeling it right here. 3, 2, and 1. Last, we have some shoulder presses. Stand up nice and tall. Give your neck a little roll. And we are going to be having our arms at 90-degree angles, and all we're doing is pressing over our head as if we're trying to grab something and then pulling it back down. Just like this. Try not to let your arms drop past 90 degree. Again, we wanna use gravity as our friend since we're not using equipment or any weights. Let the weight of your arm be the resistance. So here we go, 3, 2, and 1. So really reach up, bam. Just like this, just in this pumping motion. See if you can keep a consistent tempo. Make sure you are breathing. And you don't have to be completely 90 degrees, especially if you have rotator cuff injuries. You could go to 45. And you can be right here, just like that. So go whatever pace and movement that works best for you. You know your body, and your doctor knows your body better than I do. But these exercises are really good, and they're beginner friendly. So here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Oh, I feel the burn already. Grab some water, because now we're about to get serious. Alrighty. First set done, second set right now. Let's do it. Arm circles, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch. Up, down opens in 3, 2, 1, go. Tricep pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoulder presses, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done, water time, and let's finish strong with this last set to get rid of these saggy arms. All right, come on, let's finish strong. One more set to go. We got this, shake out your arms. Third set starts now. Arm circles, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch. Up, down opens in 3, 2, 1, go. Tricep pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoulder presses, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. That was your beginner-friendly toning exercises for saggy arms. Like I said, no equipment required or needed because my arms are dead right now, and hopefully yours are too. Feel free to play it back, do a couple more sets if you feel so inclined. But at the very least, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts just like this one dropping from either Coach Gabby, Coach Mayer, and Coach Greg. That is me. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.